Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining. We are the Product Success Team. I am Rodney.
And I'm Lex.
Today, we'll be going over a new feature, that's promo cards. If you have any questions, please keep your questions related to the topic at hand. Please keep yourselves muted during the presentation. However, if you do have an immediate question, you can ask your questions in the chat. Otherwise, you can ask your questions verbally when we open up the floor for questioning. Just make sure to unmute yourselves at that time. All right, so the issuance and use of promo cards is a new feature with Aldelo Express and Mesa. But what are promo cards? Promo cards are not gift or reward cards. Though similar to gift cards, payment is not required for a promo card to store monetary value, nor can the customer accumulate points or value based off of their purchase activity. These promo codes hold a preset value that is given to the customers and can be used at the point of purchase. So technically, the customer is given free money. That being said, rules and stipulations should be applied to promo offers so that it will not put the business into a hole. So rules like spending a certain amount in order for a promo code to be redeemed, or setting a promo to be redeemable on certain days, preferably a slow day, are just a few stipulations they can set there. Now, the goal of these promo cards and offers can promote a store by providing incentives for new customers just to get them in the door and hopefully build a customer base. And eventually, they can turn a profit. We will first go over how to set up promo cards and offers. For the store setup, Mesa Plus is required. This includes both Mesa Gift and Mesa Online. It is not one or the other, it's both. Also, at the time of this video, promo cards are only supported with Aldelo Express on iOS and on the Mesa app, but it will be available across all platforms in coming releases. Now, to navigate to the promo code setup page, you have to select Mesa Reward from the store console to access the Aldelo Mesa Reward store console. If you are familiar with the chain console, you cannot set up promo offers from the chains. It has to be from the store console level. And Lex will go over that in the demonstration. Then from there, click on Gift Card Center, where you will find the Promo Cards tab. You will be able to configure basic store settings like how many active promo cards can be stored for a specific store and customer. Active meaning there is a balance on the card. Then how many times an end user can claim a promo card. You can also set restrictions on whether or not offers can be claimed while in store or away from the store, or just having no limit. Then you can set a default face value and effective dates. So when creating new offers, they will build using those defaults. However, this information can be edited on the offer detail as well. That being said, when creating offers, you can change those defaults as well as setting minimum order total requirements, what services the offers will be valid for, if the offers are redeemable in store and or in online. You can set the offers to be redeemable on specific days and times. And lastly, set SKU items to be qualified or not qualified, meaning if a SKU item is on the qualified list, at least one of those items needs to be in the order. Or when set to the non-qualified, if any of those SKU items are present in the ticket, the order is not eligible to redeem the promo offer. Lastly, once the offer is saved, you will need to generate a URL and set up a nickname for the offer. When viewing the detail of that offer, there will be a URL that can be copied and have that available on the store's website. And also a QR code is present that can be saved and presented for customers to scan. Alternatively, that same URL can be used with a QR code generator to create a new QR code. These offers can be deleted if they have not yet been claimed. And if the offer has already been claimed and needs to be inactive, you can simply set an expiration date for that offer. So how will a customer be able to claim these promo cards? If the customer is provided the URL from the store's website, they can click on the link and they will be directed to the offer on the Mesa Online page. Or if a QR code is provided, the customer can simply scan the QR code and will be directed to the same page. They can then claim the offer at the bottom of the page. If the customer already has a Mesa Online profile, and is currently logged in, it will automatically store to their Mesa wallet. But if they are logged out, it will prompt them to log back in. But if a customer is new to Mesa Online, they will be prompted to enter their phone number and create a new user account. And once that's created, it'll store to their Mesa wallet. Now, these promo cards are strictly digital. And as I said, stored in the Mesa wallet. You cannot print these promo cards or offers onto physical cards. Since the promo cards are stored in the Mesa wallet, they can only be redeemed from the Mesa wallet. When ordering via the Mesa Online app, the qualifying promo card can be used as a payment option. And when in store, the customer can pull up the QR code on their phone and present it at the time of payment when either selecting the Mesa gift or fast pay payment tenders. Or if redeeming over the phone, the customer can provide their phone number and ultimately provide the store with a redemption code to push the payment through. Also, last note, only one promo card can be applied to a single order. If there is a remaining balance, it must be paid using a non-promo card payment. All right, so do we have any questions at this time? Okay, so I'll go ahead and hand it over to you, Lex, for the demonstration.
Okay, give me a second. Okay, so like what Rodney said, the promo cards are strictly a digital card that are tied to your Mesa wallet. It is a way to provide incentives to your customers. It's basically free money. Now, to get the promo cards to work, you do need the Mesa gift and rewards added, and also Mesa Online added as well. Once you log into my.aldelo.express, you're going to go ahead and manage your store. You do need to log into the store console. To get there, you just, like I said, manage your store level. And then on the left here, you're going to click on Mesa rewards on the left. And then from there, you're going to click on gift card center. And then on the top, there is promo cards. Now, the maximum unredeemed promo card limit per customer, we set this to 9 because we were testing, but you can set this to like 1. So that means the customer can only claim 1 promo card. You have the promo card claim frequency. We set this to 0, but you can change this. It's all customizable as well. The Mesa in-claim store limit, right now we did set this to no limit, but you can set this to inside the store or away from the store. So for example, if you set this for inside of store, that means when the customer scans the QR code, they have to be at the location. They can't be outside of the location. You can't change this. You can put away so they can't scan it from inside the store, or you can just put no limit. We did set the promo card maximum distance to 1 mile here. You can't change this. And then we have the promo card face value. Now the promo card face value, promo card effective date begins, promo card expired date. So these are basically the template that goes into creating the promo card. So for example, if I set this to 35 and then I click save, and if I click on create promo card, you'll see that the promo card offer is set to 35, 0, and 30. Now let me come back here. So you can't change the value. You can change it while you're creating the promo cards as well. There's also effective date here. So for example, when the card is issued, it'll automatically start right away, or you can put a day here. So up to 90 days. And then you have expired, you can expire the promo cards as well. So as you can see, we have set this to 30 days. So what that means is if the QR code is scanned, then the promo cards will expire after 30 days. It's not being used. All right, so if you scroll down here, we do have some promo cards that we created here. You can click detail to get to the the name of the promo card. There's the URL here, and then you can copy the URL. Now to create the promo card, you do need to click on create new promo cards on the right side. If I go in here, you do need to put a name. So I'm going to go ahead and put test demo promo, and then you do need to put a detailed description on it as well. Okay, and then you can start when the promo card's effective date is. So for example, you can create a promo card, but that doesn't mean it starts right away. You can have it start October. And let's go ahead and delete that. And you can also put an expire date as well. So if you click on the promo card here, the date, you can set it to end of December, for example. You can also set this for multi-store redemption as well. So if I say yes here, you'll notice that I have multiple stores here. Now the stores do need to be added to the chain level in order for the stores to show up here. For example, if I click on Happy's Grill, preview store demo, and Rancho Grande Taqueria, these will qualify for the demo, or sorry, for the promo card. And then you can also put one as non-qualified as well. For demo purposes, I'm going to go ahead and say no here. And then, like I said earlier, with the face value, you can change this. So if it does not fit your promo card needs, you can change the amount. We have the expired date here. So it'll expire 30 days after the promo card has been issued. We also have forfeit unused balance upon redemption. So what that means is if you say yes here, the promo card use. So for example, if the order is total of $30, so you have a $10 balance. If you complete it, then that means it'll forfeit the remaining balance. So it'll make it zero. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and set this to no. We also have a minimum order total required to qualify redemption here. So what that means is like how many orders can you use the promo card on? So for example, if you put 3 here, then the max total is 3. But in this case, we're going to set this to 0 for now. And then you have promo card maximum claim count across all consumer per day of week. So basically means if you set this to 1, it means that this customer can claim this order type one time. In this case, we're going to set this to 0 for now. And then we also have promo card qualified order types. So if we leave these blank here, that means the customer can use the promo cards and it'll work on all environments, including dine-in, bar, takeout, drive-through, and delivery. But if you put a checkbox in one of these here, so for example, I'm doing dine-in and bar, that means the promo card will only work for dine-in and bar and will not work on takeout, drive-through, and delivery. Okay. And then we also have promo card qualified location. So this is set for in-store. So you can change this. You can do in-store and online as well. So that means if it's set up for in-store only, that means the customer can only use the promo card in-store. They won't be able to use it online. But in this case, I'm going to set this to both. And then you can also put a schedule on the promo card as well. So as you can see, there's a promo card redemption qualified schedule. So if I add a new schedule here, I can select a certain day. So for example, every Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m., they can use the promo cards on this day here. I can also add another day as well. So for example, if I wanted to do Friday, I can. So as you can see, it's set up for Wednesday and Friday. In this case, like I said, I'm going to remove these for testing purposes. And then the last two here are the promo card redemption qualified SKU list. So the items, they do need to have a SKU attached to the items in order for them to show up in here. But for example, if I enable lobster mac and cheese here and twice baked potato, that means in order for the promo cards to work, I do need to select at least one of these two here to get that to work. And I can also have a promo card redemption not qualified SKU list here. So for example, I have the grilled flatbread. If I say yes here, that means if I add the grilled flatbread to the order, this will disqualify from the customers using the promo card. Okay, so I'm gonna, I will enable this after, but I'm gonna say no for now for these. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click save on the bottom. And so once you have that saved, you'll see that we have the generate new QR URL. So if I click on that, I have the option to put in my nickname here. So let's put in test demo promo, and I'm going to go ahead and click save. Now I can copy the URL or click on details. So if I click on details, it'll generate a QR code here. You have your URL on the top. To copy the image, you just right click on it, and then there's save image, and you can save this on your desktop or wherever you want. And then if you needed the URL, just click on copy URL here. So if I click copy, I can actually open up a new tab here. And then if I paste the web browser, or sorry, the link here, it'll take me to my store. As you can see, there's a get $40 free gift card now. Obviously, this is going to look better on a mobile device when you scan it. So I'm going to come back here. Now, if you need to make updates to the promo card, you can just click edit. And now I can make some adjustments. So for example, if the promo card is $30, I can change that to $30. So I can make some adjustments here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the demonstration. All right, so as you can see, I have my Mesa app in front of me. To scan the QR code, you just need to click on the scan button on the top left-hand corner. That'll pull up the camera and you can scan the QR code. Now, if the customer does not have the Mesa app, then they would want to pull up their camera. And then on the bottom, there's a link for app.mesa.plus. You're just going to click on that and it'll pull up the same web browser. On the bottom, there is a get the 40 free gift card now button. The amount can vary depending on what settings that you set up. And if you click the get the $40 free gift card now, it'll add to your account. Now, if your customer did not have Mesa Wallet, it'll prompt them to create their free account. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the get the free gift card now. And as you can see, it tells me some information regarding the card here. So it's effective 9/19. It's going to expire 10/19/2023. To use the card, you can click on the back button on the top left-hand corner. And then you can just click on the pay button on the top right-hand corner. It'll pull up your access code screen. So it'll pull up the Mesa gift here. Now you can scan this through the application. If the customer is calling over the phone, they can do a remote redeem as well. So you provide them with your phone number and you can enter that. And I'll show you that in a bit as well. All right, so as you can see here on the left, we have my iPad showing with the Aldelo Express. And on the right side, I have my Mesa wallet. All right, so on the left, I'm going to go ahead and enter in my access code here. And then let's go ahead and create a new order. I'm going to select dine in. And then from here, I'm just going to select any item. So let's do lobster mac and cheese. And let's go ahead and pay. So from here, I'm going to select the $sign on the bottom right-hand corner. And then from here, I can either select gift card or Mesa Fast Pay. Now I can click on the gift card, but let me go ahead and set up my Mesa wallet. So I'm going to pull up Happy's Grill. And then from here, I'm going to select gift cards, and I'm going to redeem the $40 promo card that I have here. Let me enter in my access code. And so now I have my gift card available. I'm going to pay with gift card on the left. All right, as you can see, I was able to take the transaction. We're going to go ahead and pay this time with the redemption offer. I'm going to enter in my access code. Let's go ahead and select the same order number. And then from here, I'm going to select the $sign on the bottom. And then from here, we're going to select a gift card. And then on the top, there's SMS mobile number. I'm going to enter in a mobile number here. Now I can select one of these cards to verify which one I'm going to use. I'm going to back to Happy's Grill. I'm going to gift card on the left here. As you can see, there's two here. So I'm going to use the promo card ending with 2610. This is the promo card here. So on the left, I'm going to select that 2610 card. And now on my Mesa wallet, I'm going to click on pay on the top right-hand corner, enter in my PIN code. And then from here, there's Mesa gift. So this is correct, but I'm going to switch this from e-gift QR to remote redeem. Now I can enter in my code. And then click next. And as you can see, I was able to take the transaction. All right, so from the store console, I'm going to edit one of these promo cards here. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit. And then if I scroll down, I am going to enable the promo card redemption qualified SKU list. I'm going to enable lobster, mac and cheese, and twice baked potato. And I'm also going to enable the promo card redemption not qualified SKU list. I'm going to enable the grilled flatbread. So what I mentioned earlier is if I enable these here, basically means in order for the promo cards to work, I do need to select the lobster mac and cheese or twice baked potato. So as long as I have one of these items in the order, then I can use the promo code. However, if I also added the grilled flatbread, this will disqualify the orders from processing through as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click save. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and enter in my access code here. And let's go ahead and place a new order. So let's go do new order. Let's do dine in. And I'm going to select the table. And then from here, I'm just going to select any item. All right, so as you can see, the items that I added is not part of the promo code list. So if I click on the $sign here, and then if I select the gift card, and then on the right, I'm going to select my gift card. And let's do the $15 here, so to redeem. Now, if I scan this, it should fail. As you can see, it says current order does not have item SKU, or it's not compatible. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to add a qualified item in here. So for example, I'm going to go to sides and let's do mac and cheese or lobster mac and cheese. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click the pay button again. And I'm going to do Mesa Fast Pay. And if I scan it, as you can see, it took the order here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and void this out real quick so I can show you one more thing. Now I'm going to back out. I'm going to add an item that is not qualified. Okay, so that item is the grilled flatbread. So I'm going to go to back to appetizers. And I'm going to click on grilled flatbread. So as you can see here, I'm going to expand this here. So the lobster mac and cheese does qualify. However, the grilled flatbread does not qualify. So once you have any item that's not qualified, it'll actually void out the promo code and you won't be able to use it. All right, so I'm going to come back and I'm going to click on the $sign here. Let's go ahead and click on the gift card. Right, so I'm going to come back and I'm going to click redeem. Let's enter in the access code. Let's go ahead and scan. As you can see, I have the current order item with SKU disqualified from. So this item does not qualify. All right, so now as you can see here, I'm using my mobile device here. I'm going to process a transaction online. Let's go ahead and open up Happy's Grill demo. And then I'm going to select order online here. Let's do pickup. Let's add a side. All right, so let's go ahead and add to cart. Okay, let's go ahead and view cart. Continue. I'm going to pick up today. Let's go ahead and continue. And then from here, I can select which tender type I'm going to select. I'm going to do Mesa gift here. Let's continue. Let's put in tip amount. And then now I can select my tender, which is the $40 balance here. So now let's go ahead and click pay. And on the Aldelo Express app, as you can see, I have a print order. So if I click on the 3 lines on the top left-hand corner, I have alerts here. As you can see, I do have my order just pending. I can click on that. I can text when it's ready, recall, and complete the order here. Right? Do we have any questions?
No, there's no questions in the chat. Again, if you guys want to express any of your questions verbally, you can do that now.
Right. So I guess that's the training for today. Let's go ahead and end the training. We'll see you guys next week.
And we thank you for joining.
Right. Yep. Thank you.